How to get XRP address on Binance. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get or find XRP address on Binance. To get XRP address on Binance, first of all you need to open your Binance application. And here make sure you are logged in to your account. Use your credentials to access your account if you are not logged in. And once you are logged in, also here make sure you have verified your identity. Only then you will be able to see the deposit address of XRP. Now once you have done that, on this homepage you will find portfolio icon at the bottom right. Tap on this icon and you will reach to this page. Here you will find the deposit button. Tap on this deposit button. And once you do so, now you will be taken to this page. Here at the top, you will find the search bar. Tap on the search bar and there type in XRP. It is also known as Ripple. Now search for it. Once you find the search results below, tap on the similar search results and once you open it, here you need to choose the network first. Choose the network here. I'm going with Ripple. Once you tap on it, here just below the network name, you will find the deposit address. Currently, I am not able to see my deposit address because I haven't verified my account. But make sure you have verified your account before getting this deposit address. If you haven't verified your account, you need to tap on this Go to Verify right here and from there you need to fill out the form with the required details and a valid document. After that, you will be able to verify your account. And once your account is verified, you will be able to see the deposit address of XRP or any other cryptos on Binance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.